Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Which way are we going?
I don't know yet. I guess the main trail, and then we'll cut off to the side.
All right, hold on. I just want to get this trail area over
Taking
here.
over my camera.
I want to go in that.
Where we're gonna go is the Sabino Canyon joint. Yes, the area where the refreshments are, but not the refreshments. Thank you. The moon.
That's not the moon.
I always love this shot with the saguaro and the moon.
She loves this shot with the saguaro and the moon. It's so beautiful. The whole squad is out.
That's the sun.
Here we have the Sabino Canyon shuttle area. You can hop on a shuttle for a decent price, ride up to the top, or hop off at any point. There's a Bear Canyon joint next to this huge saguaro. Huge. Massive.
You three are so cute.
Shorty? Whole lot of people on the main trail, right? So we're just gonna step off to the side. The trail. Where are we going? On the trail?
Damn.
We're at Sabino.
Damn, watch your mouth, young lady. We're going on the trail.
They decided to wear Crocs for hikes.
Respectful for your feet.
Get respectful. So it was cold this morning, and now it's much warmer, in the 60s instead of the 50s. Sun peeking out. We decided to take the trail and making our way toward the dam.
Wiggly wiggly beps. Wow. Looks like it's ready to snatch somebody up.
There's a bird on there.
It is.
It's like the tree from Harry Potter.
Let's walk over around this magical tree, this mystical looking tree.
It looks like it wants to snatch our little brother.
It does look like it'll move at any second.
That bird just flew from the cactus over here.
Oh,
Need a break right here. Are you okay right here? Right here.
hello. Hotep, peace. Let's take a little water break.
It's fell over and it's still growing. And other plants are growing through it.
Good observation.
Alright, so you see the road is the beginner's trail. The path that we were just on is the intermediate trail. And the one that we're on now is the master trail.
We're not masters.
Nobody asked you, little boy.
We are masters. We're not. Yes, we is. I like God's YouTube boys.
Going?
Damn.
They just want to say damn.
To the top of the dam.
To the top of the dam.
You gotta go this way.
To the top of the dam. So we can get.
Boom. What's our pattern?
Boom.
Boom. Boom. Boom. Boom. Boom. Boom. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Boom. Boom. Boom. I need to say, excuse me, Roadrunner.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We almost passed this up. We found something right here. Cool. Oh, wait. Where is it? Bird's nest.
Entrance is right here.
Oh, what's that? Oh,
Is there a baby bird?
no. I hear something now.
They say a cactus gets an arm every 100 years. So how old is this cactus?
2 months. 4
Burnt?
Point down cactus.
Road runner. If I can get it. I don't know. There it goes. Running across the road. Found a road runner.
It's a baby roadrunner. That's where he lives.
It's going to come up to you?
It's a baby.
It's running away.
Well,
Very young road runner.
road runner.
Hey, don't scare
Running
it, buddy.
across the road.
Respect the nature. No, there's limits there. Meet me.
Mimi. Mimi.
Get that road runner action.
It's not running.
No, because he's not scared of us. He's been very respectful of it. And he's enjoying, he's exploring.
And what? Running too.
Look at how long his feathers are. Now that would be a good feather to have.
Alright, so we made it to this hill. And then we're going to cut off on a side trail. The beauty. Divine beauty. Love being out here. We thought this was the trail. It's not. But it's just further down.
No.
No, that's not it. Somebody lost their water.
Butterflies.
We usually go swimming in the dam and every time it's
Oh, so yeah, it would be a miracle to have a tadpole today. But have fun down there.
You too.
Oh, I love seeing your whole family doing that.
Can you see the zebra tail?
Yeah. I think it's a security camera. Oh, it's
Where'd
not.
it go?
That's not a zebra tail.
What is it?
It's
Yeah.
a common.
Don't run down there.
Need my stick. It's pretty rocky. Okay.
Don't.
Monsoon season, all of this is wet. It's a hideaway right at the bottom here of these rocks. Let's see it. Yep, big steps. Come on. Yep. We got our hiking sticks for this reason. You okay, babe?
Yeah, I'm struggling.
You struggling?
Call me Scruggles. McScruggleback.
See that hideaway?
Where the hideaway?
Right here. Let's go in.
Man cave. for the sophisticated. Not a boy cave. Sit down. All right, I'm out.
Now it's a family cave. It's a little lopsided on this walk.
Little lobster tails on this walk. If you look here, we have a 19th century cave where the old cave people used to come and... Is that a cave drawing? No, I'm just kidding.
This is.
Where you going? She was going.
Echo!
The noises.
Echo! Boop. 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 Whoa. That's going down there.
When hiking in Arizona, always pack water. Pack more water than what you think you need. And triple check your children's backpacks or packs before they go. My son Hendrix likes to leave his water in the car and like sneak leave it. So mommy and daddy end up sharing their water with him. So pack more water than what you think we need. It's a cool day, probably in the 60s, low 70s right now in Arizona. But the sun is still intense and I have already worked up a sweat. We're hiking slow, family of 5. So just pack your water. I'm coming. In the summer, all this was green. Now, you know, it's the fall season. Things are changing. Seeing more browns. And this is the entrance to the top of the dam. And we were swimming in this in July. Now it's like bare bones. It's okay.
This is where we usually get in the water.
Wow. Yeah, I was taking pictures on this log in the summer. Wow. So there's normally fish and tadpole, everything. So it's nice to see the perspective of what things look like in the fall versus the summer and the spring. Nothing.
Water down there.
A little. One pool of water.
Back up. Hey, do that away from Mama.
So we set up a little camp.
I think there's some water in here.
Where?
I think there's water under the sand.
Sniggle diggles.
This sand
It's
feels,
starting to feel wet.
it feels so good. Oh,
Right?
this sand feels so good on my toes.
Just giving her 2 minutes to get acclimated with the yoga mat.
When I'm doing this stuff on the ground.
And she's doing the stuff on the ground.
And try not to get.
We'll try not to get the boots and stuff. This is just the pre-video video.
I found an egg. Dig, 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 dig. Hey, there's something. Baby fish over here. You found. You burying the whole thing. My staff is right next to it. That's why I want to bury this. Practice today, practice tomorrow. Something happened.
Now get on up there. Maddie wanted to make videos and take pictures. She's playing on her Kindle. A stabilizer. Get on up. He loves doing headstands. Oh, that's smart.
You need to see how I do it?
Yeah.
So it'll be stable. Oh.
That's what I'm doing.
This is them in the house all the time. Whoa! Oh, there she goes. That's my girl.
Huh? My sandcastle broke.
You can say hello, like.
Hi. Yes, stabilizer. Hendrik, stop saying stabilizer.
You hyped me up.
Oh, look at that.
He says he saw a puma, so we're just kind of watching. In the meantime, snacking on this chia seed pudding, mango, banana, little camp over, coconut milk, we're headed, and chia seeds. Back down to the base.
Kids are making a big. The kids are making a big sandcastle.
The kids are making a big sandcastle, yes. And a banana. So that's my little hiking snack. The kids had apples and bananas. They had chia seed pudding for breakfast.
I'm going to make a castle around my bed.
Taking a break over here. Found some Ramadas. Looks cool over here. Fire pit. Look at this view. I'm not sure if that water spigot works or not. What you mean?
That what? That's on the ground.
Bathrooms. So we're getting closer. Now here's a water station, just in case you need. And I think the kids used their water on the sandcastles they were making. Hubby hurt his knee, so
I didn't
tied him up.
mine.
Not all of it, just some to the exit.
Stop poking at my leg.
Some water.
No. Hendrix Express.
From Hendrix Express.
Yeah. Hendrix Express. Don't sit.
Whacking down the bushes. We cut off the road to the trail.
Just in case there's snakes or anything, I want to be the first line of defense. So I'm going to stay in the front. Please stay in a single file.
Headed back.
Go up the hill.
Headed back to the parking lot.
Yeah.
Sabino Lake Trail. Gotta catch up. There's the road, and we're up here. What?
Pretty close to the saguaro.
We are. Views.
Look in the road. You don't want to go that way. You want to go this way.
This way is up to the helicopter pad is this way. This way is to the parking lot. To the base. So many saguaro. It's so beautiful. And there's some burnt ones here. Can you see them right in the here? Here we go.
Cactus. If you look around,
It's that sound.
from the East Coast,
Get a little
you really
closer
thought
to the
that
bernies.
cactus was just something like
Where are they?
this
There we
little
go.
saguaro right here.
Burnt.
That was what we considered a cactus. Well, these saguaros over here, this is kind of what we thought a cactus was.
Now here's a
But when you
saguaro.
really get out here in the desert, you notice
They're
that
massive.
there's all kinds of cactus all around. You got these,
Prickly pear.
you got these.
I can't remember the name. Our nature walk
these.
video.
Right here
Says.
that look similar to those over there. You got the octillo, and you got, if you look right over there,
Some more right here. We took one step. These are like giant. Well, they're little fuzzy. One is. You see how that looks odd?
boom, right over there. We'll show you some more along the way.
These always look like grotesque to me, the patterns. But they're like search teams. One thing I love finding is the crested saguaro. And here, let me see if I can get you a better shot of it. Yeah, kids found something. Let's get closer.
There's a mystery cactus over here.
Oh.
And a mystery cactus
see.
right there. Mystery and cactus.
Oh, you guys have such great eyes. Oh, and this one has bloomed. Look at that. We're back on the pavement. This ranger passed us up. Now gave us some maps. You see how it's grotesque and compared to the others. Let me get a nice picture. Back on the road, headed to base. Headed to lunch. Where's lunch?
That's what we doing. I mean, after this, I hope you use
The flower. Some of the cacti. We hike on the right so people can pass by on the left. Let's see hiker's tip. More cacti. We were talking about the different types. This is a bare octillo. Normally they're nice and beautiful and green in the spring and summer. Okay, we just got back to the bottom.
Hiking, let's make some
This was one of the best hikes, I think, temperature-wise too. You know, in the summer, you got to beware to get your hike done early or late. So it's the fall now, early November. We got a mid-morning start, and the temperature was just perfect.
1 hour later.